to fix something went wrong, please go back and try again problem. If you are facing this kind of problem, then make sure to check your network connection, roll down your notification bar and tap and hold on the Wi-Fi option. Now go to details and look for your network. If your current network is lagging, then disconnect and reconnect or use a different network. Also, you can switch between your mobile data and your Wi-Fi to see if that helps. After making sure that your network connection is working, you need to follow these further steps. Navigate to your Settings app on your device and open it. In Settings, scroll down and click on the option Apps. Inside Apps, at the top, click on the search bar and search for the app Gmail. Click on the Gmail application and scroll down. Here look for the option Storage and click on it. At the bottom right corner, click on Clear Cache. Now check for any kind of software updates that may be available. Once that is done, then give your device a quick restart. Once your device fully restarts, then your problem should be fixed. So that's all for today. Thank you.